Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the Target app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and delete your account on the Target app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Target app. Next, click on My Target on the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, go ahead and click on the gear icon on the top right hand corner. Next, click on My Profile or Profile. And then towards the bottom, you're going to see a Delete Account button. So simply follow the on-screen prompts in there in order to delete your account, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and delete your account on the Target app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.